These are steel toe tennis shoes by Odor. But this one was sent to me by the brand. Here's the box for it. This is gonna be your size 11 and a half. Nice looking shoes. Check that out. These are lace up tennis shoes. There's the other shoe. Anything else in the box? I can feel that right there on the end. It is really solid. It's like it's got little shock absorbers right there on the sides. I'm gonna try these out over the next week and you're gonna see what it's like. I've actually worn these a few times around this warehouse and they seem to work really well. They're pretty comfortable. They are a little tight when you first get them. Really good arch support. What I also noticed is these are actually quite comfortable. They're very cushiony in the bottom, so walking around is not like wearing a boot. It's more like wearing a tennis shoe, which can take 200 joules of impact on the toe. These are the Larnmern Odor shoes, the steel toe shoes, which are really comfortable in the warehouse and on this concrete floor. I actually have worn these like multiple times, like for a full day, and they did not really bother my feet at all. What's nice about these shoes is that it has these soles that are kind of squishy, so it helps with the concrete. The shoes stay tied nicely, and the tongue doesn't like move around or like creep down inside your shoe, making it uncomfortable. Dropped a couple of tools on the shoe and it didn't hurt my toes. These are size 11 and a half, but they come in various sizes. Check the product description and see if those variations are available. Who knows, I may be in the rail yard at some point and I might need some shoes.